I'm going to show you how you can play Assetto Corsa with your friends. First off, you want to download a software called Radmin VPN. Tap on free download here, and then it'll download the software like this. Install it once it's done downloading. Now, once there, you want to first off, when you open it, you want to click on create network. Now, once you tap on that, you want to create a network, give it a network name, give it a password, and give it a confirmed password. Ask your friends to join this network as well. Your friend can join the network by clicking on join network earlier there. And then from there, first off, you'll have to open the Assetto Corsa folder. Now from there, you want to tap on AC Server Manager. Now on the AC Server Manager program, you want to tap on the settings tab, and then you want to specify the server name and also the TCP port. Now on the session weather, tap configure practice, qualify weather and other race settings as well. Now on the tracks, tap specify of the number of players, and also you have to select a track. And then on the course/entry list, choose a course to race, and then click on save. And then click start server button. And then now, once you have it running, now we're taking the BOV of your friend here. Again, you have to join the network. So enter in the network name and also the password. And then you'll have to connect the game to the game server, right? You'll have to run Assetto Corsa and then click on main menu. And then on here, select drive and then go to online session. And then on the online section, find your server by name and then click on join. And then that's it. You're done.